Hello my lovely boys, assalamu alaikum. Hope are fine today. I'm going to show latest collection. In this video I'm going to show unique elegant designs. So first design is very attractive, very cute, only 300 and this price is only 22,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous, very adorable and sweet this design. Next design is very unique, very hot wearing. It's simple but classic design, makes it stylish and very stylish. Wow, so cute this design. Only 6 Anna and 22,906 carat, very cute, very unique this design. And this hoppy metallic finishing and a delicate craftsmanship make it perfect for daily wear. Next design is very attractive, only 3 Anna 22 carat, and this price is only 22,000 plus. If you want, you create 4 Anna. Next design is more beautiful, only 3 Anna 12 earring, 22 carat hallmark earring. If you want, please screenshot. If you want, ideal for wedding. Each stone is perfect shade, enhancing its beauty and glamour this design. Wow, very finishing and a delicate craftsmanship make it perfect for daily wear. Next is some simple but it's very gorgeous and it's just for your kids. If you want, you go gift purpose for any person. Wow, fully 5 rupee and this price 5,000 to 6,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful, only 2 and this price only 15,000 plus. Very attractive, very traditional, very cute this design. If one, please screenshot this design. Its details work and traditional design make it very beautiful, special, suitable for traditional and festival events. Next design is 22 carat ear earring, also cute this design. This modern tassel earring is very stylish and trendy. Its long tassel and metallic shine set it apart from other earring, ideal for a parts for cocktail events. Wow, so cute this design. 22 Dubai earring, only 5 and this price 36,000 plus. Very perfect, very modern tassel earring is very stylish this design. If you want, please. And we see vintage art deco earring. It's a unique design and old wall sun make it special, perfect for a vintage and a traditional event. So cute this design. Minimality earring is very unique and stylish this design, only 5 Anna. Next design is more beautiful. It's simple but it very fantastic this design. 22 carat simple 2 earring. This design is very trendy and modern looks. Next design is very multi. Next design is very attractive, very lighting, very cute this design. We see vintage and art deco earring. It's a